Alright, I'm in Mobile, Alabama. I've been in Mobile for about 2 days now. I definitely like it, and it's interesting. I've met some cool people already. The vibe seems a little bit different than Florida, definitely. Everyone's really nice and they talk really slow with an awesome accent. It's kind of funny, but even people at the store like, hey, could you reach that for me? I don't know, it's just, everyone just seems so sweet. I'm headed to USS Alabama, the Alabama warship, and then, you know, like I always do, I think I'm gonna cook some chili and some southern cornbread and rice and have a nice meal tonight, hopefully by the water somewhere. Yeah, see you there. Alright, well, the chili is coming along great. The pan, it's definitely filling up the pan, but it should be alright. And I'm just hoping that the cornbread isn't going to be too burnt on the bottom. Starting to brown on the top. This is an awesome little park by the water. There are a few people here and a few people in the parking lot. Someone fishing earlier, but everyone's left by now. Probably around 6:15, the sun's set, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes ago. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Didn't stick at all. Yeah, so the bottom is burned, just a tad. I'll cut into it a little bit. How awesome is that? I'm gonna be honest, I was done touring with the USS Alabama at like 4:45 and I thought it closed at 6. I thought the park closed at 6. But it closed at 5, so it was perfect timing. And then I looked at when the sun set and it was like 5:30, because Alabama's, at some point I changed an hour back and I didn't even realize it. So Alabama's an hour behind Eastern Standard Time, I think it's Central. So sun sets earlier and I didn't think I'd be able to do all this cooking, you know, the rice, the cornbread, the chili in like, you know, 45 minutes or an hour, whatever. At least filming some of it before the sunset. And I didn't think it would come together this well, so I'm really proud about that. Yeah, I almost waited to cook tomorrow and then just like pretend like it was one day, but I decided to just go for it. From what I can tell, the chili turned out well. The rice is super easy because that only takes 5 minutes. For my first try cooking cornbread out of the cast iron skillet, not too shabby, honestly. Let's serve up an awesome dinner. Check it out. Some extra sharp cheese. Actually, not extra sharp, just sharp cheddar. Some sour cream. Nice, lots of sour cream. I love sour cream. You guessed it, some Fritos on top. Because what's chili without some Fritos? Oh man. Southern style cornbread with some chili. Delicious. Alright, wrapping up another video. It's been a great time in Mobile, Alabama. I hope I can go visit other parts of Alabama another time or another trip because, you know, I really have nothing against it. You know, like I said, it's been a great visit. I was pleasantly surprised on the USS Alabama. There's so much to explore. You could spend days there. Literally, it's like the military Louvre. This is a really peaceful area, a really peaceful park. That was a delicious meal. The chili was great. It really hit the spot and it was warm and it all came together pretty nicely. That's the first time I've cooked 3 things at once on my stove, so well, not at once, but for one meal. The rice, the chili, the cornbread. I think I'm gonna hang out here at least for like 15-20 minutes and just chill, take in the fresh air. Honestly, thank you. I really just can't say that enough. If you're watching this, I appreciate it so much, and just the little comments that I see just make my day all the time. So thank you so much for watching me. Thanks for joining me, and hope to see you in New Orleans. So peace out.